Welcome artists and art lovers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account with ArtQ. So first you want to open your browser. Here I have Safari open. You can use Chrome or other browsers, and I am going to type in artq.world/login. Click go. And now I'm going to click since I don't have an account, I'm going to click sign up in the lower right hand corner. And it's going to need an email address. I will put in woody@artq.world. And I need to confirm that email, woody@artq.world. Click next. I can add a profile picture now, or I can do that later. Let me put in my name here, Woody Sears. Click next. I also need a password. And I enter the same in twice. Then I'm going to click next. Wait for the account to be processed. And then it's going to give me a list of popular artists that I can follow in my account. So I'm going to follow Mary, Tony, Colleen, Rosemary. I'll follow all these artists here. And then favorite categories: painting, mixed media, prints, and then I can always add categories later. I'm going to click done. Wait for that to set up my profile, and then I'm going to be able to start browsing art. You see the progress bar at the top. Here's my profile. Go back, click the X button, and be able to see my feed of artists that I follow. You can also go to featured artists, and this is showing the most popular in each account. I'm also going to be able to see the latest artwork, but now we have our account set up. And if you're an artist, you can use this menu page to add art as well, which I will show how to do in another video. Thanks for watching.